Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Nagaland. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it up with all the necessary information. The applicant must carry both photocopy and original of the document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Document needed for this procedure is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach photocopy of Aadhaar card along with the application form and submit it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is submitted, the process will be completed and the applicant will be intimated via SMS on their mobile number. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office website online. They have to search for the official email address on the contact us page of the website. Then they have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link Aadhaar number with the mutual fund. The applicant has to attach scanned virtual copy of Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the process is completed, the applicant will be intimated via SMS or email. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant has to send the message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN space Aadhaar number space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the applicant Aadhaar number. Then the process will be completed and the process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process can be done within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.